Some tips to create Feetand palms. Sofeetnaturally. Individual being in intention of taking good proper care of their skin, especially face, and neglecting other quantity of the body. Even it normally won't take proper care of their hands, palms and feet, which is important. Getting cracks in heels and redness because of dryness in palm is going to be quite apparent. Milk and fresh lemon juice. You'll want milk handy inside your refrigerator. You have to boil some milk and it to cool down. Once it's cooled, you have to add couple of drops of glycerin and fresh lemon juice inside it. Bear this solution much like that for 30 minutes. Now massage your palms and feet using the mixture gradually and lightly. If this can be done daily, elimination of hardened skin is going to be really simple. Oatmeal Mask. Now to get among the wonderful masks with oatmeal. The components needed to create this mask are essential olive oil, oatmeal flour, and glycerin. Have a small container and blend each one of these ingredients very well to get consistency of your liking. Now apply the mask over your feet and hands, palm. Ensure that it stays for half an hour and employ lukewarm water to get rid of it entirely. It's also considered like a gentle scrub that can help for making your hands and feet soft. Coconut oil. It has been established that pure coconut oil that's been getted from nature is actually great for hair. It will help reducing baldness, creating wonderful moisturizing effect. Together with hair, coconut oil can also be very helpful for skin. Blueberry, the places where the skin is becoming very difficult and you are able to take couple of drops of coconut oil and apply over your palms and feet to remain healthy. You are able to use the oil when it is bedtime and get very soft feet skin when you are up each morning.